Hi, I'm Tyris Diehl from Music 112 class at Capital University, and I'm here to talk to you about the standing waves project. Standing waves occur when a sound is reflected off parallel surfaces back upon its own path, also called room modes. During these standing waves, there are points of no motion called nodes, and also there are positions with maximum amplitude called antinodes. In recording in mixed environments, we don't want standing waves because we want frequency balance in the rooms. To avoid standing waves, we can make the rooms have non-parallel walls. Like first, I'll be using this tape measure to measure how far this wall is from that wall. "11 feet and 2 inches. So I'll be writing this down on wall 1. 11 feet and 2 inches. Next, for wall distance 2, I'll be measuring how far this wall is to that wall. This is 10 feet and 5 inches. For wall 2's distance will be 10 feet, 5 inches. Okay. Next, I'll be measuring distance from the ceiling to the floor. This measurement will be 8 feet long. So from the distance from the ceiling to the floor is 8 feet. Okay. The equation I'll be using to find the frequency in the room would be the equation to find lambda, which is frequency over velocity over frequency. But since I'm trying to find frequency, I'll be using velocity over lambda. And since lambda is the distance of the wave, I just found the distance of the wave by when I measured the wall. So what I'm using my calculator on my smartphone to find the frequency. So, and the velocity of sound of speed is 1130 because we're estimating that the degrees in this room is 68 degrees. So my first one would be 1130 divided by 11.2, and it would be 100.89. So since since my distance is three numbers, I'm gonna have three numbers. So they're equal to 100.9. Okay, next one would be 1130 divided by 10.5, which would be 107.6. And then my last one is 8 feet, so 1130 divided by 8, and it'll be 141.25. And that is it. I found the frequencies in the room. From this wall to this wall, it will be 109. And from this wall to this wall, it will be 107.6. And from the ceiling to the floor, it will be 141.25. Those are where the frequency will create standing waves, and that's where you don't want the frequency to be at if you're trying to record or mix in this room. Okay, and I'm Tyris Diehl, and that's the end of my project.